Absen and Maverick partnership is here to share and strengthen the value of LED across a range of smart spaces in modern environments.
At Absen, we pride ourselves in continuing to develop new products, learn from experiences, and continue to grow the LED market.
The AV industry is bouncing back post-pandemic faster and stronger than we ever expected. The technology is reaching a point where there is still big growth, but entering in a new phase of stability and wider adoption, where channel plays a key role.
We can surely agree that different meeting rooms require different outcomes, and therefore different technology setups. Now, with bigger spaces comes the opportunity to utilize bigger screens. As an example, you can use corporate signage built for LED to show to external people visiting the meeting room. And then you can easily switch that to a VC setup, even taking into account the 21:9 ratio to accommodate Microsoft's front row, making it not only a multifunctional room by means of collaboration, but also accommodate different meeting room outcomes.
The Absen portfolio is the perfect complement to our signage and meetings offering, covering a wide range of projects within retail and corporate settings.
In collaboration with Maverick AV Solutions, we will ensure all the current and future clients have the best experience with our partnership and continue to work with us for future development.
The reality is that we will be working in hybrid environments, where all the meeting attendees needs to be engaged. Absen LED technology fits perfectly for the purpose.